see that spark in their eye that I have a place, you know, I have a tūranga waiwai and I know where it is, that makes a huge difference in a child's life. Growing up bilingually, I walk in both worlds and I teach both worlds.
We have responsibilities as a nation under the Te Reti o Waitangi. So part of that responsibility is to understand partnership, and I think you truly understand partnership when you have an insight into the world of both partners.
I see that in a lot of tamariki, that if they are disconnected from who they are and where they come from, they do struggle through the education system. So last year I had a student that came from another school. Mum said, oh, he's a bit of hard work and we're really struggling at home, but academically he's struggling as well. Out of curiosity I asked him, oh, do you know what your iwi is? And he goes, I don't know. Then I asked him, okay, so where's your mum from? Where's your dad from? And we started talking and we put some pieces of the puzzle together. We used his pepeha as the platform for his learning. Within about 5 weeks, because Mum said, you know, when he started school, he's a very anxious child, he won't put himself out, he was up doing his pepeha. I always think back to those magic moments that you have with each individual child.
We don't find that students who are learning in Te Reo Māori lessen their ability to understand and learn in English. In fact, we find that where you've got a strength in one language, it strengthens the learning in the second language.
Last year we did a study on the river just next door to our school. For our tamariki, they could absolutely understand that the waterways isn't just a river, that it's an ancestral river and it had a purpose.
Koe kurangi te maunga, waiapu te awa Ngāti Porou te iwi, no tikitiki ahau, koe bukururangi taku ingoa. I started school in Wellington, but they didn't have the bilingual unit. But when we moved down here, we put myself straight into te pauahi, and that really developed me as a character. It's been really cool to see how New Zealand's changed over the last few years. When we introduced our school haka to Nelson College, we were getting phone calls, we were getting emails saying, my kid's not Māori, why are they doing this, you know? They'd save that for the Māori kids, and nowadays we don't get that at all, and that was 7 years ago. Because the culture's changed and people think it's something really cool to get involved in.
And it can't be just left for Māori people to champion, that we've got to share it with everyone.
I can't wait for the day when finally people take up the challenge of learning te reo Māori, u ki te kaupapa.